Click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon for instant notification. Hi guys, today we are going to see how to vote in Super Singer. You can vote from your laptop, PC or Android mobile phone. You just need the browser. Go to your browser, open Google, in that Google type Super Singer vote. So when you type this one, you will get this like this. Okay, in this you can vote for Grishma or Praveen, because now I can't there is no vote here because the vote time period is ended. So every time the vote is period is ended on Tuesday morning 9 p.m. So the voting session starts with Sunday evening to Tuesday morning 9 o'clock. So you can vote between this time. After this time you can't see this one actually. So here you have to click this whichever person you want to vote and click sign in to vote. So it will automatically sign into your Google, then it will take your vote count. That's all guys, you can vote like this. Thank you for watching this video.